Decision making is the process of choosing the best course of action among several alternatives. Every day, we make decisions, from simple ones like what to eat to complex ones like choosing a career path. It involves thinking carefully, weighing options, and selecting the best solution based on the situation.
Understanding decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing the best course of action among alternatives. It involves identifying a problem, gathering information, evaluating options, and selecting a solution. Types: rational, logical, data driven. Initiative, based on experience and instincts. Steps in decision making process. The first one is identify the problem. Second, gathering relevant information. Third, generate alternatives. Fourth, evaluate option. Fifth, choose the best alternative. Six, implement the decision. And last, seven is review and evaluate the outcome.
Faulty decision making refers to poor or flawed choices that result from errors in judgment, bias, lack of information, or emotional influence. These decisions often lead to negative outcomes or missed opportunities.
Sino to?
Wala mo.
Ano ba? May ginagawa yung
Surprise!
Han! Han, nakauwi ka na. Di mo sinabi sa akin.
Ano yan? Handuntis ka?
Han, buntis ako bago ka umalis.
Kailan pa?
Bago ka nga umalis.
Sigurado ako walang nangyari sa atin bago ako umalis.
Lasing ka nung may nangyari sa atin.
Alam ko yung ginagawa ko nun.
Gusto mong ipahiwatig nagloko ako?
Siguro. Kasi wala naman ako. Nangyari naman yan. Aminin mo na kasi. Hindi naman sa akin yan eh.
Hindi kita niloko. Ba't ako magloloko? Bago ka umalis, may nangyari sa atin. Lasing ka nun.
Ang tagal.
Ba't ka paano matagal dun?
Huwag mo na ako naloloko. Mag-iulay na lang tayo. Palaglag mo yung batang yan. Hindi sa akin
Pag-usapan
yan.
natin to. Gagawin ko lahat, please.
Wala akong pakialam. Palaglag mo yan. Hindi sa akin
Please,
yan.
maawa ka sa akin.
Mag-iulay na tayo. Pag gawin mo lahat, palaglag mo yung batang yan. Patunayan mo sa akin totoo ka.
Pasensya na, anak. Kailangan tong gawin ni nanay. Sana mapatawad mo ko. Hindi ko kaya mawala ang asawa ko. At alam nating isa kang pagkakamali. Sino yan?
Teka, ano ba problema mo?
Kapal ng mukha mo? Ang mukha mo? Matapos kong gawin yung gusto mo, lulukuhin mo lang ako?
Bakit? Sino ba unang nagloko sa atin?
Pero ginawa ko yung gusto mo!
Diba sabi ko tapos na tayo?
Pero sabi mo, pag pinanaglag mo, maayos tayo!
Alam mo kung di ka naman nagloko, di ako maghahanap ng iba. Saka sino ba nauna sa atin, di ba ikaw?
Kapal ng mukha mo! Kapal ng mukha mo! Ginawa ko lahat para sa'yo, tapos ito yung gagawin mo!
Ikaw yung unang nagloko, kaya tigilan mo na ako.
Common causes of faulty decision making. 1. Cognitive biases. Mental shortcuts or pattern that distort thinking. It has confirmation bias, only looking for information that supports your opinion. And overconfidence bias, believing your judgment is always right even without evidence. And anchoring, relying too much on the first piece of information received. Last, status quo bias, referring things to stay the same instead of changing. Second, emotion and stress, making decisions based on anger, fear, stress, or excitement rather than facts. Third, lack of information, not having enough facts or understanding of the situation. Fourth, rush judgment, making quick decisions without analyzing the consequences. Peer pressure or group thinking, agreeing with others just to avoid conflict even if you disagree internally. Decision making in groups. Group decision making happens when two or more people come together to make a choice. It is common in schools, businesses, communities, and even families. While working as a group can improve the quality of decision, it also comes with challenges.
The role of ethics and national culture. Ethical decision making consider what is right, fair, and just involves honesty, transparency, and accountability. Influence of national culture, values and norms differ. Culture affect how risks are perceived and how decisions are made. So decision making is essential in personal and professional life. Awareness of common faults involves choices. Group decision offer the benefits but need in structure. Ethics and culture shape how decisions are approached and judged.